Alrighty guys, the crypto market's pretty boring. We made a video on SOLPUMP a few weeks ago where we tried to flip some of our coins on SOLPUMP, specifically our Sol bag, and they've actually added a new game to the website. So we're going to play some today. I'm going to take you through why SOLPUMP is a little bit different from your other online crypto casinos. If you guys want to play and get some free cases, then you can use my code in the pinned comment. Let me know how you're feeling. We're not going to look at the charts today. We're going to have a little bit more fun. Now, firstly, SOLPUMP, right? Why is SOLPUMP different? Well, when you come down here, you've got a bunch of different sections that you guys can read through, right? So you've got the info, fairness, FAQ, terms of service, privacy, about us. The main thing that we focus on, guys, is the fairness. Now, if you are someone who likes to dabble in the online betting, maybe you like betting on sports, maybe you like playing casino-based games, you know, a lot of these things, unfortunately, can get rigged. And this is where cryptography can actually come in and let you guys know as players that it's actually fair. Provably fair is a system allowing players to verify that the site operates legitimately and doesn't tamper game results. It leverages cryptography and third-party input to generate random values. At the end of the game, players can verify that the outcome was indeed determined by the original seed inputs, proving that the game was fair. And you've got the code here, okay? You guys can go and check out the code for yourself. Maybe put it into an AI and ask it, is this code fair? Okay, and before each game does start, right, you're going to see that there is a server seed and a public seed, and it tells you, right, say for example for Crash, these were the multipliers that were originally in place for Crash. So really what you could do is you could go and you could, you know, use this little section here and you can say, right, how many 1x multipliers have there been? How many 2x? How many 20x multipliers have there been? Is this fair? Is this random? Oh my God, I just missed a 940x multiplier, right? So I don't know about you guys. I actually do like online gambling. I like casino games. I'm a big poker player as well. I'm sure a lot of you guys know. So I'm probably going to play some of these in streams as well. So if you want to like join me on the streams, you know what to do, like the video and subscribe. But they've got 3 games. They've got Crash. So Crash, obviously the rocket, you guys can put in as much as you want, get out whenever you want, and you can see here all the players, 15 playing right now. If you want to go to advanced betting, then you can also do a progressive cash out as well, right? So you can take 50% at 2x, 50% at a 4x, another 50% at 5x, if it ever does get there. And that way, you know, you feel like you have a bit more control. Obviously, this is completely random, okay? Do not gamble more than you can afford to lose. This is not a way to make quick money, right? You can easily lose your entire stack. All right, I've put some money in my account right now. Maybe I might lose it. Who knows? Okay, we're going to find out at the end of the video. But one thing that you won't lose with is these daily cases. Okay, so when you do use my link, you get a free case. After you've used that, I think you have to bet something like 0.002 Sol to get a free case. And you can get anywhere from this 0.125 SOLPUMP, which is basically like nothing, all the way up to 10 Sol, okay? And you can see here the percentage chances as well. So it's very unlikely you're going to get the 10 Sol, let's be real, okay? Very likely you're probably going to get some SOLPUMP coins, okay? So you can hold the SOLPUMP coins, do these daily cases, just keep that, or you can just swap it back for Sol, right? So to open a free case, I haven't bet enough today. I need 0.025 Sol to be bet. So what we can do, we can either bet on Crash, coin flip, or blackjack. I like blackjack. I'm going to go in the open seat. So what we can do, guys, is we can go and bet in maybe 0.1 Sol. And let's hope that we can flip this into 0.2 Sol. So I think it's like a $12 bet right now, right? What have we got? We've got a 7. We got a 12 against a 3. Hit, stand, double. I feel like if I hit this, I'm screwed, but I'm going to hit it. You got to hit a 12, surely. 13. Let's stand that and hope that he busts. Oh my God, I would have got 20. Yes, there we go. And just like that, 0.1 Sol from blackjack. Okay, so I'm probably going to play blackjack a lot. We've now qualified to open a daily case. Okay, you can do a demo, do a free. If I do a demo, it's going to be 10 Sol. Let's open a free case. Let's hope that we get something that's not just... Okay. There you go. 94%. Obviously, it was going to be the soul pump, right? So we could got lucky. Look, right next was the 10 soul. Right before was, how much was that? 0.1 soul. It would have been $10. Okay, so these reload every 24 hours. And obviously, if you do it every day, you can progress with your XP and you can get like better cases as time does go on, guys. Okay, so they've got a lot of new games. Like I said, I'm going to be playing it on stream a little bit more. So at the end of the streams, you guys can come play with me. You can watch me lose money. You can watch me potentially win money. If I win any money, then hopefully we can flip that. We won $12 today. That's not bad. And maybe you guys could be in charge of what games I play. So Soul Pump, really, really cool. Again, you can use my link in the pinned comment in the description. You can go and check them out for yourself as well. Okay, check them out on X, Kick, right? All the Kick streamers on Soul Pump, maybe on Telegram as well. And again, do your own research on this. Okay, do not put any more money than you can afford to lose in right now. Obviously, the crypto market has been pretty pants. It's not been nice. So please do be careful. This is not for everyone. I'm very aware of that. But yeah, that's just a quick video on Soul Pump today. Make sure you've subscribed with post notifications on so you don't miss any streams. And let me know what games you want me to see. And let me know what games you want to see me play. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.